We all know that Facebook is one of the most widely used social media platforms, with over 2.8 billion active users. But do you know that Facebook is also a powerful tool for businesses to reach their target audience and achieve their marketing goals? Here are some reasons why Facebook ads are so important for businesses. First, highly targeted audience. Facebook's targeting options allow businesses to reach their ideal audience based on factors such as age, location, behavior, and others. 2. Cost-effective. Facebook ads can be highly cost-effective, with businesses having control over their budget and the ability to set daily or lifetime limits. 3. Increased brand awareness. Facebook ads can help businesses increase their brand awareness, reaching new audiences who may not have heard of them otherwise. 4. Measurable results. Facebook's analytics tools allow businesses to track the success of ad campaigns, valuable insights, and the effectiveness of their campaigns. 5. Diverse ad formats. Facebook offers a variety of formats such as videos, images, posts, giving businesses the flexibility to create ads that are engaging and creative. So in this digital age, businesses need to be where their customers are. With Facebook's massive user base and advanced targeting options, businesses can reach their ideal audience and achieve their marketing goals in a cost-effective way. So, if you are looking to grow your business and reach more potential customers, consider investing in Facebook ads. Our team of experts can help you create effective ad campaigns and will drive results for your business.